Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Hamad Code 2526 Academy. I'm Sarah Hamad 2526, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a colorful star using the Scratch coding platform. It's going to be fun and easy, perfect for beginners. Step 1. Starting the project. Let's begin by clicking the green flag at the top of the screen. That starts our project. Step 2. Set up the drawing tools. First, we make sure the screen is clear by using the Erase All block. Then we set the pen size to 5 to make our star lines nice and thick. Ballpoint pen. Step 3. Activate the pen. Next, we bring the pen down with the pen down block so that our sprite can start drawing on the stage. Step 4. Set starting color. We use the set pen color to block and pick a starting color. Here it's set to 50, which is a greenish shade. Step 5. Repeat loop for star drawing. Now here's the fun part. We use a repeat block that repeats 10 times. Inside it, we do some movements to draw the star's arms. Black right arrow. Step 6. Drawing one arm of the star. First, we turn the sprite 60 degrees and move it forward 75 steps. That's one slanted line of the star. Step 7. Add a short pause. To make the animation a bit smoother, we add a wait block of 0.2 seconds. Step 8. Complete the arm and add color. Now we turn the sprite 120 degrees in the opposite direction and move it another 75 steps. That completes one full V shape of the star. Step 9. Change the color. To make the star colorful, we use Change Pen Color by 10. This shifts the pen to a new color each time a line is drawn. Step 10. The result. When this loop runs 10 times, it creates a beautiful, multicolored star pattern, as you can see on the stage.